What can you do for Myanmar? What can you do for the people in Myanmar who are relentlessly being wounded and killed by the police and soldiers who should be protecting them instead? Individually, we may be feeble, helpless, and powerless, but when we're united, we are strong, powerful, unbreakable, and unstoppable. As long as we fight in harmony with God by our side, as Aung San Suu Kyi once said, we will surely get to our destination. Victory will be ours in the end. As a leader I admire once said, do what you can with what you have, where you are. To our heroic brothers, sisters, and loved ones who are endlessly and bravely fighting for democracy in Myanmar, we are with you. We've seen your sufferings. We've heard your cries. We will never stop fighting by your side. Tonight, we are the embodiment of perseverance and resilience. We are the world. We are the people. We are the generation that will put an end to the military dictatorship. Justice will prevail. Proverbs 15 says, when justice is done, it is a joy to the righteous, but terror to evildoers. Have mercy upon us, God.
There comes a time when we hit a certain call, when the world must come together as one.